is.
Here we go!
Thunderstorm warning for western Weber County in northern Utah, southeastern Box-Elder County in northern Utah, Salt Lake County in northern Utah, Davis County in northern Utah, southwestern Morgan County in northern Utah, southwestern Summit County in northern Utah until 6:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 6:11 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 14 miles north of Great Salt Lake south of the causeway to near Camp Williams, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Blowing dust may reduce visibility to a mile or less. Locations impacted include Salt Lake City, West Valley City, Sandy, Ogden, Layton, Murray, Bountiful, Farmington, Brigham City, Park City, Morgan, Hill Air Force Base, West Jordan, Taylorsville, South Jordan, Draper, Riverton, Roy, Cottonwood Heights, and Clearfield. This includes the following highways: Interstate 15 between mile markers 287 and 361. Interstate 84 between mile markers 82 and 100. Interstate 80 in Utah between mile markers 102 and 146. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in Utah: Box-Elder, Davis, Salt Lake, and Weber. Excessive heat.